Readers depend on critics for advice. Whether they are of movies, video games, or dishwashers, the review provides advice to readers on whether something is worth their time and their money. Now, criticism is slightly more complex than a review. It's the study, evaluation, and interpretation of the arts. Criticism ponders the meaning, context, and social significance of an artist's work. With that in mind, most of what you read in print or online is a review rather than a critique. There are a few things to keep in mind when writing a review. You want to make sure that your reviews are structured. Don't ramble and rant. Outline your key points and then provide an analysis of each point, usually a paragraph. Balance reporting with your opinion. Combine both facts and reaction. Provide accurate details of what worked and what didn't. Know your stuff and don't try to fake it. Be aware of biases. For example, if you hate hip-hop, you probably aren't going to like Kanye West's new album, and therefore you shouldn't be the one to review it. Don't be pompous. Don't use big words to impress your readers. Keep it simple. And don't be cruel. Be tough and fair, yes, but don't insult your readers. Remember that no matter what you are reviewing, it is bound to be someone's favorite. It's okay not to like a certain car, but don't say anyone who drives one is a complete moron. And while we're at it, there are a few other don'ts. Don't reveal plot twists or story endings. Why go see a movie if you know how it's going to end? Whenever I watch a movie with my mother, and she knows that I've seen the movie before, she always asks me what's going to happen. I tell her every time, without fail, that everyone is going to die. Really? No, watch the movie. Don't add unnecessary phrases like, I think, or in my opinion. The whole review is your opinion. Avoid vague adjectives. Be specific and descriptive. Don't be negative of amateur or children's plays. Okay, if Angelina Jolie runs crying from a stage, that's probably worth noting. If 5-year-old Angie Jo does it, so what? She tried. Don't get personal. Criticize the performance, not the performer's private life, their political beliefs, their appearance, etc. And when someone doesn't agree with your review, don't take it personal. Remember, everyone's a critic.